All right, Tony, thank you. And this weather system, part of a larger system that wreaked havoc across the country, dumping more than a foot of snow right here in New York.
As you can see, cars were stranded on highways across the state. In Maryland, there was no snow, but a tornado ripped the roof off this barn and damaged several homes. And here in southern New England, strong winds knocked down trees and power lines. A viewer sent us these photos from New Bedford. Sheena Lasciuto continues our pinpoint weather team coverage from Seekonk with a look at more of the damage.
According to National Grid officials, crews were very busy for hours because several neighborhoods in different communities were facing damage after these crazy winds. From a damaged roof in Fall River to a snapped tree in Scituate, Mother Nature's unforgiving force hit again. Sites like this one in East Providence were found all over our region Friday afternoon, including multiple road closures like here in Portsmouth from impacts related to the weather, with powerful winds blustering through New England, snapping trees, damaging structures, and keeping first responders busy. Vicious winds leading to thousands of people without power in both Rhode Island and Massachusetts. Here in Taunton, a tree came down on a multi-family home on Couch Street.
I kind of just heard the wind blowing and then felt a little shake and obviously the loud bang, and went outside and saw the tree was on the roof. So
thankfully, everyone's okay, according to the residents.
We gotta remove these trees. They're all over the property. Just gotta get rid of them.
Families are clear to stay there overnight, not looking forward to the hours of cleanup ahead of them.
I was not expecting it to be that bad, but now we know. Now we know the possibilities.
Now, anytime there is significant weather in our area, National Grid reminds us to never, ever touch downed wires. Don't even go near them. They say always call authorities first and let them know where they are. I am Sheena Lasciuto, Eyewitness News.